Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube channel to Google Ads account. First thing you need to do is sign into studio.youtube.com, and it's preferable to use the online one, that is the web, using your desktop or your phone browser. So once you're here, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to tap on settings. Now settings is located on the left side at the bottom, so you tap on settings and then you tap on channel, which is the second option here. So on the channel you will see what we call advanced settings tab. Tap on it and then you're going to scroll down till you see link account. You can see allow third-party companies other settings. So we're looking for link account under Google Ads. So you can see Google Ads account linking. So tap on link account, and here you have to enter a link name. Then you have to this name is for your reference. Then you have to enter the Google Ads account ID. Now if you don't know how to find this, let me show you. Just very simple. What you do is that you go to your Google Ads, your Google Ads, open it, and then you will see the customer ID. It is found at the top right corner of your Google Ads account. So you copy it and paste it here. Now make sure these three boxes are checked. That is the box for view count, remarketing, and engagement. And once you're through with everything, you tap on done. It's as simple as that. So after tapping on done, the next thing you're going to do, you can see it's not doing because I have not put in the name. Let's say my name is Y. Let's say the customer ID. Let me just put in some numbers and then tap on done. The numbers are not accurate. That is the problem. You can see the customer ID is not accurate. It's asking me to put in a valid ID. Anyway, once I'm through, I tap on done and then you tap on save here. So after tapping on done and save on YouTube Studio, next thing you're going to do is you might have to go to Google Ads. This is to approve the link if it might be necessary. So how do you approve the link? You sign into your Google Ads account, you click on tools, that is the wrench icon which is in the top right corner. Then you click on setup. Then under setup you will see linked accounts. Click on it. Then you find YouTube and you click on details. Then under link request you will see once you see link request, you will now find the channel you requested to link and you click approve. Now if the Google account that owns the YouTube channel is the same as the one used for the Google Ads account, the linking might happen automatically without the need for manual approval in Google Ads. Hope you found this video helpful.